Cross is jumping to the left. No, he's sliding to the left. Jan is climbing to the right. Keely's ready up at the top. Oscar's smelling the sand again. William's climbing. Oscar's flying down and prancing. Keely's flying down, yes, and Elia's waiting to get beaten. No, he's good. Eden's just up there enjoying the scenery. Of course, he's going to try again. Do it, Chuck! No, Chuck can't even hear me, Rod. Oh, jeez. No, I'm not taking photos. I'm taking video. Are you going to sneeze? God bless you and Gesundheit. And Gesundheit.